In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Google Drive data in just 5 minutes. Whether you're safeguarding crucial documents or organizing your digital life, knowing how to back up your data is a vital skill. Let's dive right in. If you're looking to back up only specific folders or files from your Google Drive, the process is straightforward and tailored to ensure you save exactly what you need. First, navigate to the Google Drive website at drive.google.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your Google account when prompted. This step ensures you have access to all your files and can back them up appropriately. Once you're logged in, browse through your Google Drive to find the files or folders you wish to back up. This is your chance to sift through your digital archives and decide what's most important. Upon finding your chosen file or folder, simply right-click on it to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Download. This action initiates the download process for single files. However, if you've selected multiple items, Google Drive automatically compresses them into a convenient .zip file for you, making the backup process both efficient and space-saving. This .zip file will be stored in your computer's default download location, typically your Downloads folder. It's important to note that .zip files are compressed, which means you'll need to extract the files before using them. Most operating systems allow you to do this easily by right-clicking the zip file and selecting the Extract All option or using a similar tool. Once extracted, your files and folders will be ready for access and safe storage offline. Consider moving these backups to an external hard drive or another secure location to prevent loss from potential computer issues. Backing up your data regularly is a good practice, ensuring that your vital documents are never lost due to unforeseen circumstances like hardware failure or accidental deletion. In summary, backing up your Google Drive data is an efficient way to maintain control over your important files. By selecting specific files or folders, you can create backups tailored to your needs, all while ensuring they're accessible whenever you need them. So remember, regularly backing up your digital information is not just smart, it's essential. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more secure about your data and digital information. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button for more tech tips and guides. You can find more of our videos on all things tech by following our channel. Until next time, happy backing up.